stands for Easy Vowel Kit. EV Kit focuses mainly on the basic phonics, specifically in blend phonemes, CVC. Consonant, vowel, consonant. This kit promotes engaging and fun learning activities as the pupils can learn phonics through hands-on activities by using this kit. This kit contains 4 activities designed to directly teach the CVC rule, practice applying the rules to words, and reading words. This kit is made up of flashcards, EV dices, and EV bingo.
So, how to use this kit? In presentation stage, teacher will teach about CVC phonemes using the flashcards. Integrating 21st century learning, the flashcards are equipped with QR codes to explain about the pronunciation and the meaning of the words.
Pat.
Then, the pupils can drill their pronunciation by playing around with the colorful vowel clips.
This is the word card. Then, pick one of the vowel clips and put it in the middle. Pa, t, pat. Then, another card. Pick one of the vowel clips and put it in the middle. Ba, t, bat. Then, another one. Ba, t, bit.
Next, the EV dices are designed for the pupils to practice applying the CVC phonemes rules. Now for the fun part, in practice stage, the pupils need to roll the dices to form a CVC word. Then, they have to say out loud the word in a correct pronunciation. It is important for the students to practice the CVC rule by using the dices as they can see directly how the rule is applied.
Lastly, during the production stage, the pupils' understanding and knowledge can be assessed using the EV bingo. Pictures will be pasted on the first column. Then, the pupils will need to choose the letters cards and arrange them in a correct order. Once they have completed the EV bingo table, they have to pronounce the words so that the teachers can evaluate their pronunciation.
This is a user-friendly teaching and learning kit. As it is portable and comes with a bag, we can carry it anywhere easily. In terms of marketability, the EV kit has a potential to be marketed. This is because the kit is cost-efficient and can be sold in an affordable price. The cost that we spend for the whole kit is only less than 8 ringgit.
This kit is also complete the teaching kit as it can be used in all the 3P stages: presentation, practice and production. Hence, the teacher only needs to bring this one kit to teach about phonics.